Rising Star is a project which was developed basically to encourage younger musicians, artists, and to promote them and to take them to the next level, to provide them with a platform where they can come and perform, where they can come and compete, and where they can come and live up their dream. And from the rising star to become a risen star, to rising star to the superstar, all the way with the Mosaic Festival and with the Canadian Community Arts Initiative. It's a labor of love. But without further ado, I am here to introduce the project of Rising Star. This year was the third year of Rising Star. We received 149 registration. 28 of those were shortlisted, and the auditions were held at the Living Arts Center a month ago. Those auditions have given us 10 finalists who are going to perform today in front of you. There is a jury comprising of, and Ajay Gupta will be introducing the jury in a moment as he is going to welcome them on stage.
So today with us, we have a team of 3 judges. First one is Mr. Mahmood Rahman. He is a Pakistani guitarist and he played everywhere in the world. And in Canada also, he played whosoever the big artist is coming, start from Atim Aslaf and others. And he had few albums too. But now I'll request Mr. Mahmood Rahman to take a seat and we'll go further. Second, Archie J, our snake charmer. Yes, and that YouTube channel with the same name having 770,000 subscribers. Really? Did I say correctly? Okay. And she performed in Mosaic previous years, part of Mosaic family, and she is the first lady in India, now in Canada, who play bagpiper. Right? Welcome. Mr. Tariq Hamid. He is singer, composer, music director, organizer of different events, and a well-known personality in our Canada, loving Canada. You can find him on YouTube, Facebook, Insta, everywhere. How are we going to start our event? What we'll do? There will be 2 rounds to entertain you, and judges will get opportunity to judge them, and then there will be 3 winners. We run a poll also, online voting, and that online voting gave us around 2,000 votes. Out of that 2,000 votes, one of the candidate of these 10 people will be getting People's Choice Award.
Hi, I'm Reshma Manurkar. How are you doing all today? Hope you all are good. Okay, I am classically trained singer, and I enjoy singing Bollywood music a lot, and I do like to sing in multiple languages. चेहरा ये बदल जाएगा, मेरी आवाज ही पहचान है, गर याद रहे हो नाम गुम जाएगा.
Now I have a candidate, electronics and telecommunication engineer by profession, but she is having a bachelor degree in music too. And that brings her on this stage in top 10. She performed very well in theatre round, and now in top 10, I'll invite Anushma Sharma. जी हाँ, एक इंजीनियर जो सिर्फ कीबोर्ड से खेलता है, कंप्यूटर वाले, आज म्यूजिक के कीबोर्ड से और म्यूजिक के तारों से भी खेलने वाला है. Anushma Sharma.
Hello everyone, I am Anushma Sharma. Hello judges. I am singing Lal Ishq from the movie Ram Leela. संग बैर लगाया ऐसा रहा ना मैं फिर अपने जैसा हो रहा ना मैं फिर अपने जैसा।
हर तरीके का सिंगर हर तरीके के गाने गाना चाहता है, हर तरीके से परफॉर्म करना चाहता है, लेकिन मेरा अगला सिंगर ओरिजिनल म्यूजिक बनाना चाहता है, ओरिजिनली परफॉर्म करना चाहता है और अपने हिसाब से करना चाहता है, जिसकी वजह से वो अपने कॉलेज सर्कल में बहुत पॉपुलर है, स्टूडेंट लाइफ में। अभी मुझे मालूम नहीं वो लड़कियों में कितना पॉपुलर है, उसका रिस्पॉन्स यहाँ। अरे मैंने नाम भी नहीं लिया, मैं अपनी पॉपुलैरिटी की बात कर रहा हूँ भाई। चले खैर, मेरे लिए भी तालियां बजा सकते हैं, बात मैंने अच्छी कही है। एवन लॉरेंस इज माय नेक्स्ट सिंगर।
How are we doing tonight, Mississauga? Let's try that again. How are we doing tonight, Mississauga? My name is Evan Lawrence, and I'm going to be performing an original song today. And this song means a lot to me, and it's a piece of my soul converted into music, and I hope you guys can enjoy it as well. Thank you. Dawn, I see the world rise, see a flock of birds flying through the sky. Every day is a battle, every night is a fight. Who will be the one to bring me to the light that I at the bar? मेरे पास क्या उसके सिवा? ऐ मेरे खुदा, की प्यास तू ही है आसरा। तू जो मुझे ऐसे आके यूं मिला सुकून जो ये जहां ना दे सका। तू ही है उम्मीद, तू है आसरा, जो भी हूँ मैं बस तेरा एतबार। मेरे पास क्या इसके सिवा? ऐ मेरे खुदा, तू है रूह की प्यास, तू ही है आसरा।
Now we go to next contestant. Studied in India, then masters in US, living in Toronto and working in US. एक जगह टिक के बैठ जा भाई। नमन सिंधवानी। I'll ask the same question. एक जगह टिक के क्यों नहीं बैठता? नमन, same question. Take your mic. भाई एक जगह टिक के क्यों नहीं बैठता? सिर्फ one question.
मुझे उसका एक ही जवाब है सर। मैं घूमना चाहता हूँ, फिरना चाहता हूँ, उड़ना चाहता हूँ, रुकना नहीं चाहता। नैना।
वाह। मुझे आना होगा क्या?
थोड़ा सा सर।
थोड़ा सा। ओके। Stage is yours.
Thank you, Ajay sir. A very good afternoon to the esteemed judges here. के सामने एक गाना प्रस्तुत करने वाला हूँ शफकत अमानत अली खान साहब का मोरा सैया। I hope you will like it.
my next contestant, when she landed here as an international student, thereafter she find, oh, I'm a music lover and I can do wonders in music. And she is having very powerful voice. I'll invite Sakshi Rastogi. Sakshi, come here. You are here student, you got a music, you learn music, performing, yeah. What next you want?
I want to meet my inspiration, Sunidhi Chauhan.
Oh yes, very soon Sunidhi will be on this stage. I don't know, this year, next year, very soon.
Inshallah.
But today you are singing some song from her, correct?
Yes, I am singing Sunidhi Chauhan's song. As you can see,
Okay.
that I'm all dressed up as with a fan, so I'm gonna sing Uri.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
So I'll not be between you and judges. Go, rock it.
Sure, sure. Namaskar judges. आप सभी को आदाब, सत श्री अकाल और अस्सलाम वालेकुम. Welcome to TD Mosaic and I hope आपको मेरा performance अच्छा लगे.
आसमां से आ गई आगे मैं जहां से ये क्या हुआ मिल गई आज आसमां से आ गई आगे मैं जहां से ये क्या हुआ उड़ी नींदें आंखों से जुड़ी रातें ख्वाबों से
हमारे पास जो हमारी नेक्स्ट कंटेस्टेंट है, she is blessed with Shankar Mahadevan Sir's academy and learned music from him for last couple of years. Mridvika Malibur, did I say correctly? Come. I know last name bit tongue twister hai, and she won a very good, very big international award also. It's better. जो अवार्ड में टच भी नहीं कर सकता वो ये जीत के आई है, तो उसके बारे में खुद ही बताए तो कितना अच्छा रहेगा. एक तो अपना नाम ठीक से बताना, मेरी तरह गड़बड़ मत करना.
Hi everyone, good afternoon to the judges as well. My name is Mridvika Malabenur.
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 Oh, that's good. And tell me about that award, which you won in like 2023 sometime.
Yeah, so I won a couple of international classical music awards, specifically Beethoven, best classical musicians. There's some other ones too, but I'll be singing or trying to sing the song Kahe Chhed from the movie Devdas, originally sung by Kavita Krishnamurti ji. So hope you guys enjoy it.
छेड़ मोहे
Now my next contestant for today is from Kathmandu, Prabik Thapa.
Thank you so much. Hi everyone. Big love, support to everyone who is here, coming this early just to support us. So yeah, big love, big shout out to you everyone here. Hello judges, hope you're doing good. I'm doing it as well. All right, so I'm glad. I'm relatively new to this country. I just got here a year back, and I'm glad I got this chance to be here and be performing here. So hopefully I'll do good. Good luck to me.
कैसा जादू कर दिया तेरा बन बैठा है मेरा जिया जाने क्या होगा क्या पता इस पल को मिलके आज ही ले जरा मैं हूँ यहाँ तू है यहाँ मेरी बाहों में आ भी जा ओ जाने जाना दोनों जहां मेरी बाहों में आ भूल जा baby I love you baby I love you baby I love you so much baby I love you I love you like a crazy I love you I love you like a crazy I love you
So हमारी अगली कंटेस्टेंट है रागेश्री भगत, पंजाब से है, पंजाबी में गाती है। इसने पूछा मैं किस लैंग्वेज में आज गाऊं, मैंने कहा तुम तो सब में अच्छा गा सकती हो। फिर हमारा फैसला हुआ कि ये पंजाबी में गाएगी। एग्री? पक्का? ओके, सेट योर माइक बाय द टाइम आई टॉक टू दीज पीपल और यू टेक माइक आउट। ओके दैट्स सो उसकी परफॉर्मेंस और उसकी आवाज और उसका पंजाबी के ऊपर पकड़ आप देखिए, एंजॉय कीजिए, तालियां बजा के स्वागत भी कीजिए।
Hello everyone. So I'm performing my favorite singer Sajad Ali's very beautiful composition Ravi, and I would also like to thank Muzak for giving me this opportunity because it's been 2 years I haven't performed and it's a special day for me. So thank you.
जावे माही देर न ला तू ना वे सानू इंज तड़फा तू आ जावे माही देर न ला तू ना वे सानू इंज तड़फा तू जे इथों कदे रावी लंघ जावे हयाती पंजाबी बन जावे मैं बेड़ियां हजार तोड़ ला मैं पानी चो सान छोड़ ला जे थो कदे रावी लंघ जावे हयाती पंजाबी बन जावे मैं बेड़ियां हजार तोड़ ला मैं पानी चो सान छोड़ ला जे थो कदे रावी लंघ जावे हो।
Okay, let's move to our next contestant today. Okay, how she pronounced? I'm Ro. लोग पूरा नाम बोलते हैं, ये नाम में भी कंजूसी करती है। I'm Ro. बट आजकल की जनरेशन की स्टूडेंट है, सिंगिंग करती है पैशन के साथ, गिटार बजाती है। आप इसकी आज की ड्रेस देख के ही बता देंगे कि ये गाना कौन सा गाने वाली है। एंड whosoever will give a right guess, सही बोलने वाले को ओपन माइक में गाने का मौका मैं देने वाला हूं, ये पक्का मेरा वादा है आपसे। रोहिणी।
Hi everyone. Hi judges. I'm Rohini. You can call me Ro. And this is a little bit of a surprise even for me. But I am singing Udi from Guzarish. It was a surprise for her as well as me. But we wished each other good luck. And now we are here. And jo hoga wo hoga. So, yeah.
So guys, आ गई है वो घड़ी जब इस पहले राउंड का कैलकुलेशन शुरू हो चुका है। हमारे पास जो वोट्स आए हैं उसका वोटिंग रिजल्ट भी है। वो मैंने किसी को नहीं दिखाया, उसको मैं बिल्कुल छुपा के अपने पास रखा हूँ। वो एक सरप्राइज है।
Extremely impressed. The talent is amazing talent, guys. Keep doing whatever you are doing. Keep practicing. Keep doing riyaz every day. You are doing very well, and many congratulations to all the organizers, Asma Appa and Rashid Bhai. A big applause for them. They are doing amazing job. Keep doing it every year, every next year. We see improvement. We see more fun, more stuff, and we see more people here. Thank you very much, and enjoy your best. Thank you.
I think Mosaic Festival is an excellent opening doorway to a lot of South Asian talent and South Asian music. Just right now, the talent we saw at Rising Stars was amazing, guys. Like, honestly, big round of applause to all of you. I am a musician, we're all performers, and we all understand that it's not easy to put yourself out there, be on a stage and really challenge and push yourself. So again, thanks Mosaic Festival for giving a platform like this to so many young and upcoming talents and established artists.
I think Mosaic has been doing a wonderful job in representing South Asia to the global Toronto area and more. And the talent that we had to judge today, it was fantastic. And there were the markings that we were given according to the criteria was very, very close for many of the singers. And I hope it was only close because there were so many people who sung very, very well. And clearly we have a lot of talent, and everyone's going to go a long way. Thank you, Mosaic, for putting up an awesome festival once again, and see you next year.